everyone, welcome back to your own channel that is Subjectsaholic guys. And as you can see here, if you don't know when to use to, does or did, we are here to solve your problem. So let's start while understanding the concept when to use do, does or did, right? So here as you can see in this picture we are going to discuss, right? So here you can see the basic forms of the verb, that is our do family, right? So do family includes three things: do, does and did. Now let's talk about when to use do and does. Okay. So if we talk about do, then we always use do with our plural noun, okay, or with plural pronoun. For an instance, we do, they do. Now I and you is special case in our English, in our modern English. So that's why they both use do verb with themselves. Alright. So plural noun, with plural noun we use I do, we do, you do, they do. And if we talk about does, then we always use it with singular noun or pronoun. Let's see here. She does, he does, it does, and last one is any name here can come like Reena does, Meena does, Rahul does, etc. Now if we talk about did, so did always uses past, as you know that do and does is always used with present one and did is always used for past one. Like if our sentence is in past, then we use I did, we did, you did. Here you can see any subject can come with did. I did, we did, you did, she did, he did, it did, or they did. Now let's come upon our exercise, and if you also know the answers you can also comment down. So let's start. Okay, here you can say dash you know where Johan lives. So here you, what you have to do first, you have to see the subject only. Here our subject is you, and we know that you is our plural one. Yes, you is, you has some special case in our modern English. So with you what we use do, right? So do you know where John lives? क्या तुम पता है जोहन कहाँ रहता है? Now second sentence, she, here our subject is she, and she is our singular, right? Singular pronoun, and with she we use does because it's a singular pronoun. So here she does not waste her time, वह अपना समय व्यर्थ नहीं करती है. Here our subject is we means हम. We, as you know that is plural one, so we use do. We do not mind coming again, हम माइंड नहीं करेंगे अगर हमें दोबारा आना हुआ तो. ठीक है. Maya dash not speak English well. As I can say, as I said earlier, any name, with any name we use does because it's single name. So Maya doesn't speak English well. Maya ढंग से English नहीं बोल पाती है. Okay. Now here you can see our subject is I. So with I we use do because I has some special place in our modern English. So here I do not see the picture yesterday. But here you can see yesterday are past. Now how can you find the tenses in past, our sentences in past or present? Here if there are words like yesterday or last day, alright, or previous day, this some adverbs or words suggest that the sentence is on our past one, right? So we do not use do here, we use did here. So I didn't see the picture yesterday, मैंने कल पिक्चर नहीं देखी थी. अगर yesterday नहीं होता, so we can write do. I don't see the picture, मैंने पिक्चर नहीं देखी. ठीक है. बट हेयर यू कैन सी द वर्ड yesterday, सो ये बीते कल की बात हो रही है, सो वी विल ऐड did which is our past one, right? Now let's talk about last second one, Alice. Alice again here is our singular name, so with singular name we always use does. Okay, so Alice doesn't work here. Alice यहाँ काम नहीं करती है. Now last one you have to comment down. I, you have to see the subject I is our singular or plural, and then you have to add do, does or did as per the sentence. If our sentence is in present, then we have to add do or does as per the subject, or if it's is in past, then we have to add did. So don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.